Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 2. Now right here on the second chain from the hook I'll make 8 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is row 1. Now to finish row 1, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I will chain 3. Right here through the same chain, we need to make 5 double crochets. This one already counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now right here through this first double crochet chain, I'll insert my hook, then I insert my hook through this loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through this next chain I'll make 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, I'll insert my hook right here through his first double crochet chain, then I'll insert my hook through his loop and pull through. I'll chain 1. We need to make 8 popcorn stitches for row 1. We already have made 2. So now in the next chain I'll make a popcorn stitch. Chain 1. In the next chain I'll make a popcorn stitch. Made 8 popcorn stitches. To finish row 2 I will chain 1, then right here through this first double crochet of the first popcorn stitch I'll make a slip stitch. This completes row 2. Row 3, right here through this next one chain loop I'll insert my hook and I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 3, then right there through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So 3 chain in the beginning of a row, and plus these 4 chains that will make that'll give us 5 double crochet. So I insert my hook right here through this first double crochet chain, then I insert my hook through this loop and pull through. Again, now I'll chain 1, then right there to the same chain I'll make a popcorn stitch. Chain 1. Now through this next one chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. chain 1, then right there through the same 1 chain loop I'll make a popcorn stitch. Then I repeat this throughout row 3. See, for row 1 we had 8 single crochets through this loop, then for row 2 we had 8 popcorn stitches with 1 chain in between. For row 3 we are increasing, so by the end of row 3 we will end up with 16 popcorn stitches. Now to finish row 3 I'll chain 1, then right here through this first popcorn stitch, through that first double crochet chain of our first popcorn stitch, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 3, then right there through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So the 3 chain in the beginning of the row plus those 4 double crochets give us 5 double crochets. Now right here through this first double crochet chain, I'll insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Chain 1. Now right here through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make a popcorn stitch. Now for this row, we increase in every second chain. Chain 1. So this next 1 chain loop, I'll make a popcorn stitch. But only 1 popcorn stitch in this particular chain. In the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 popcorn stitches. In the next 1 chain loop, 1 popcorn stitch. We repeat this throughout row 4. In 1 chain we're making 2 popcorn stitches, in the next chain 1 popcorn stitch, in the next chain 2 popcorn stitches, and the next chain 1 popcorn stitch. So yeah, we repeat this throughout row 4. Now to finish row 4, right there through this first popcorn stitch, right there through that 4th chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5, we need to repeat row 4. We need to increase in every second chain. And then for row 6, we'll not be increasing. We'll only make 1 popcorn stitch in every 1 chain loop. So we repeat row 6 until we have 12 rows in total. Now to finish row 12, right here through this 3rd chain of the first popcorn stitch, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now we'll just weave these ends in and we'll be done. This is how our finished work looks. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching.